What up, YouTube? This your boy Big C, Newson Lawn Care. Good Friday. It's the weekend of Easter, Resurrected Sunday. I'm a little tired. I ain't gonna say I just started. I've been out since 8:30 this morning. I had to clean out my trailer, or finish getting the junk out my trailer. Now I'm about to go to one of my clients' houses. Hold on. We're gonna pause for the call. Alright, I'm back at you. One of my clients calling already because it's Good Friday. Sun is out, it's 50 degrees. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm on my way pretty much to do a rejuvenation. I know I normally shouldn't do this in the springtime, but they need it bad. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna aerate this yard, throw down some seed, start a fertilizer, and put some peat moss over the top as covering. And as they say, hope and pray. But yeah, my neighbor, also my mechanic, he got a house for a sister over here in my favorite town of Harvey World. And she needs her grass overseeded and getting it prepped for the summertime, springtime, you know, same thing. And like I said, this is Good Friday, Resurrected Sunday, or Easter weekend. So I'm gonna catch some of me doing some of the processes. All right, I'll holler at you.
Killing it, 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 killing it. I'm in my zone, I'm feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it, killing it, killing it, killing it. I'm in my zone, I'm feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it, killing it, killing it, killing it, killing it. I'm killing it, I'm killing it. I'm killing it, killing it, I'm killing, killing, killing it, killing it. I'm killing it, killing it, killing it. I'm killing it, killing it, killing it. I'm killing it, killing it, killing it. I'm killing, killing, killing it, killing it. Killing it, 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 killing it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it, killing it, killing it, killing, killing, killing it, killing. I'm in my zone, I'm feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it, killing it, killing it, killing, killing, killing it. Be real, be real, killing it, killing it, killing it, killing it, killing it, killing it, killing, killing, killing it, killing it, killing it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it, killing it, killing, killing, killing it, killing it. I'm in my zone, I'm feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it, killing it, killing it, killing, killing, killing it, 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 killing, killing, killing it, killing it, killing it. Killing it, killing it, killing it, killing it, killing, killing, killing it, killing it. I'm in my zone, I'm feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it, killing it, killing it, killing, killing, killing it. I'm in my zone, I'm feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it, killing it, killing it, killing.
All right, YouTube, y'all done seen me aerate, overseed, and I did rototill. I'm gonna take you around and show you what I had to do. I still got to do the back. I'm gonna just aerate and throw some seed down and some more fertilizer. And then probably tomorrow I'll come back here and spray with the Meso. Well, I'll put it below what I sprayed with, but it's pre and post emergent to stop the weeds from growing while the seeds is trying to germinate. All right, let me flip this camera so you can see. So as you can see, there go it's my knockoff brand of organic fertilizer, like Milorganite. It's the knockoff brand, but you see I put peat moss there, a little bit there, and a little bit there. None there because pretty much they cut a tree down, and I got dirt there I can use. I aerated this, and on the edges, I used my little small rototill to break the dirt up, put grass seed down, and fertilizer. Same here. I gotta come back before I leave. I'm gonna make a border because they want me to do the flower beds with raised, a raised flower bed, right starting at the porch, going around here. So I measured that today, and I did this area, and I just got to do the back now. So let me show you the small area in the back. So you see I did this because that's my imaginary line there. And came around here. You can see some of the plugs down. And I just got to do this little small area, aeration and overseeding. All right, talk to you. All right, I just got finished taking everything off my trailer. So the last thing I did was watered that yard, the front, the back, the two easeways. So either Saturday or most likely Monday, I'm gonna come back, like I said, and I'm gonna spray it with that Meso. I'll put it down there below, the herbicide. That's a pre-emergent and post-emergent. That it doesn't harm the grass seed. It just prevents the weeds from growing, and it kills the present weeds. And I'm gonna mix it with some RGS, and that's about it. Just wait for it to start growing. I informed the client that she has to keep the grass or the seeds moist for the next 30 days, but if it rains, then water sparingly. But I will make sure that I in the next, so we're in the end of March, the next when May come around, show you how it filled in or how it's coming in. She still is keeping me to cut it and maintain it, but she definitely wanted me to do a rejuvenation. I know you like, well, why didn't I do it in the fall? She had just got the house in November, and well, she actually moved in December, January, but she closed on November, but she didn't move in until January. So but she wanted me to start this year, so that's why I overseeded, aerated, fertilized. So keep our fingers crossed that it fill in good, and we'll see how it go this summer. All right, Newson Lawn Care at you. Holla back.
Hold it now. What you gonna play? But whatever I play. Hold it now.